Hi and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about an important mathematical concept called exponents.
Exponents are also called as powers or indices. It is a type of mathematical operation. Exponent is a shorthand used for repeated multiplication. The product like 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, which is a long repeated multiplication, can be written as 4 raised to the power 6. It is read as 4 raised to the power 6 or 4 to the power 6. Expression written in this form is called standard form or expanded form. This expression is equal to 4 raised to the power 6. This is called exponential form or power notation. In this expression, 4 raised to the power 6, 4 is called the base. Base is the number that needs to be multiplied repeatedly. And 6 is called the exponent. It is also called as power or index. Exponent or power is number of times base needs to be multiplied. In general, if a is any number and n is a natural number, then a raised to the power n is equal to a times a times a times a multiplied n times, where a is called the base and n is called the exponent or power or index, and a raised to the power n is called the exponential expression. Points you need to note. First point, we read 3 raised to the power 2 as 3 squared and 5 raised to the power 3 as 5 cubed. Second point, any non-zero number raised to the power 0 is taken as 1. Non-zero number means it can be any number, negative or positive, but not equal to 0. Let's see a few examples. 2 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Minus 1 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. 17 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So, any non-zero number raised to the power 0 is always taken as 1. Third point, for any non-zero number a raised to the power 1 is equal to a. Base can be any number other than 0. If the exponent is 1, the value is the number itself. Thus, 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to 2. 10 raised to the power 1 is equal to 10. We already know that every power of 1 gives 1 itself. 1 square is equal to 1. 1 cube is equal to 1. 1 raised to the power 10 is equal to 1. 1 raised to the power 100 is equal to 1. It means if you multiply 1 any number of times, the answer is always equal to 1. But in the case of minus 1, powers of minus 1 can give either minus 1 as the answer or 1 as the answer. Let's see. If the base is minus 1 and if the exponent is odd number, the answer is minus 1. If the base is minus 1 and the exponent is an even number, the answer is plus 1. Example, minus 1 raised to the power 3. Here 3 is an odd number. If minus 1 is multiplied odd number of times, the answer is minus 1. If minus 1 is multiplied even number of times, here you can see the exponent is 4. That means minus 1 is multiplied 4 times. The answer is plus 1. Fifth point. For any non-zero number a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to the power m. And a raised to the power m is equal to 1 by a raised to the power minus m. You can see the change in the sign. A raised to the power minus m in the denominator. So, a raised to the power minus m and a raised to the power m are reciprocal of each other. Let's see few examples. 5 raised to the power minus 3 can be written as 1 by 5 cube, and 2 raised to the power 5 can be written as 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 5.
Thank you for watching. Practice the sums given in the worksheet. Happy learning.